You just got a message. Hi, I found your profile and think you'd be a perfect fit for our company. We're offering $80,000 a year, flexible hours, work from home, and unlimited vacation days. Please reply ASAP. Sounds amazing, right? Yeah, a little too amazing. Today, we're breaking down the 3 biggest signs that the job you're looking at is a scam. Because every day, thousands of people lose time, money, and their personal information to fake job listings. And the scammers are getting good at this. So let's make sure you're not next. Sign number 1. They want you more than you want them. Legitimate companies post job listings and wait for qualified candidates to apply. What they don't do is randomly slide into your DMs on LinkedIn, WhatsApp, or, my personal favorite, a random text from a number you've never seen before, offering you a life-changing career opportunity. If a recruiter reaches out to you out of nowhere, didn't ask for your resume, didn't interview you, and is already talking salary, pump the brakes. Real recruiters ask questions. Scammers ask for your social security number. The more desperate they seem to hire you, the more suspicious you should be. Flip that energy. Make them work for it. Sign number 2. You have to pay to get paid. This is the oldest trick in the book, and people still fall for it. The job sounds incredible. You go through a hiring process. You get hired. And then, they tell you that you need to buy your own equipment, pay for a background check through their preferred vendor, or send money to cover training materials up front. Let me be extremely clear. A real employer pays you. You do not pay them. If anyone asks you to send money, buy gift cards, or wire funds before you start working, that's not a job. That's a robbery with extra steps. Now, speaking of being prepared and protecting yourself, here's something I genuinely want you to hear. One of the best things you can do during a job search is stay organized and sharp. I've been using this document organizer and shredder combo I found on Amazon. Link is in the description, to keep my important papers safe and destroy any sensitive documents before they end up in the wrong hands. Identity theft is real, especially when you're sending out resumes and your information is floating around everywhere. This thing has been a lifesaver. Seriously, go check it out. Your personal information will thank you. Okay, back to destroying scammers, metaphorically. Sign number 3. The company basically doesn't exist. Google is free. Use it, aggressively. Before you get excited about any job opportunity, spend 5 minutes looking up the company. Does their website look like it was built in 2003 during a blackout? Are there 0 reviews on Glassdoor or Indeed? Does their LinkedIn page have 12 followers and was created last Tuesday? Red flags. All of them. Scam companies often copy the names of real businesses slightly, like Amazon with 2 Z's or Google Careers, banking on the fact that you won't look closely. Check the email domain. If a recruiter from Microsoft is emailing you from a Gmail account, come on, we know better than that. Also, try reverse image searching the recruiter's photo. Scammers love stealing profile pictures from real people. If that face shows up as a Swedish fitness influencer from Stockholm, it's a scam. So let's recap. Watch out for 1. They're weirdly desperate to hire you with 0 process. 2. They want your money before you make any money. 3. The company is basically a digital ghost town. Your dream job is out there, but so are the people trying to exploit that dream. Stay skeptical. Do your research. Protect your personal documents. Seriously, grab that shredder, link below. And never let the excitement of an opportunity turn off your common sense. And don't let the scammers win. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.